Guys, we're going with some Mexican style veggie prep. And when it comes to eating veggies, you got nada until you've had my Zucchini Entomatada. Woo! Good paleo. We're gonna start out with some zucchini, cutting them about a 1/4 inch thick on a little bias, right like that. This is about a 1/4 inch right here. This right here is about 3/16. You guys get the idea, right? Boom, we're done with the zucchini. I'm gonna toss those into a mixing bowl, and then I'm leaving all the edges out right here, all the corner pieces. When you have a bias cut, the reason you wouldn't cut on a bias is because it has a high waste factor. These two pieces don't really work when you're trying to keep stuff looking like this. So, but these will come in handy in a second. I'll show you that. Olive oil in here with the zucchini, little garlic powder, some salt, and pepper. We'll mix that up. Then I've got a couple tomatoes. I got 3 Romas here that are nice and soft, kind of on their way out. I'm gonna slice these as thinly as possible. Work my way through them. So we're all cut up here. I took the ends, cut them into little pieces like this, got these sliced pretty well. I'm gonna add a little olive oil to the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch pan. I'm gonna go with a spoon of tomato sauce. There we go. And then from there, we'll use our pieces, our little ramp pieces you might call them, to get everything started. I'm gonna run these down this edge. You guys following? See that? Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna go with a little tomato on there. And then we'll start working our seasoned zucchini, full slices. Get a row going. And then I'll come across, I'm gonna say 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 tomato slices. Another little row under that of the sauce, maybe a little bit underneath so that they'll stay up. Then you can see how when I lay the zucchini up there, I have it open like this. So that thin green line is at the top, not like this. You see how the thick is there? Does that make sense? For that whole row. Now I'm gonna alternate and go all thick green. Following? See the difference? Boom, boom. Good. And then we'll run that all the way across. Hey guys, so we got it all in there. I kind of freestyled it here at the end with the other stubs, but we went every other, thick green, thin green. Just to kind of mix it up a little bit. And then what does entomatada mean? It's a Spanish word and it essentially means tomatoed. So this is tomatoed zucchini. In a roundabout way, it's kind of a zucchini lasagna, if you will. But this is gonna be a great way to get some carbs in. We're gonna throw this in the oven, uncovered at 375 degrees. The zucchini entomatada is done, you guys. I cooked it for about 45 minutes and then I broiled it for about 5. And I just stood there and I watched. We're looking for a little crispy caramelization on top right here, but not so dark and burnt that you don't know it's green. That's what we're going for. So next thing I'm gonna do is just cut this. Then we want to see if we can get this out. It's going to be juicy. I can see the juices. So the longer you let this rest, the more solid or the better this will stay together. Here we have our zucchini entomatada all plated up. Boom! You might not be out there craving zucchini or just smashing it every day, but this is a good way to get some in your diet. Get out there, give it a try, and we'll see you next week.